In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the AC condenser on this BMW X5. This is going to be located in front of the radiator. Let's get into it. Before you start this job, you're going to need to bring the vehicle to a local shop to have the refrigerant removed from the vehicle. We're going to take this hose off. There is some clips over here. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just want to pop these clips off. Spread this apart. And then just grab the tube, lift it up. This is just the clamp. That's how it's put together. There's a cable that goes through some retainers over here. I'm just going to pop those out of the retainers. Just use a straight blade screwdriver. Just get underneath. That's good. Using a 13mm socket, take these bolts out. There's two over here. Grab the bar. Move it towards the passenger side. And just get it around this hose. And you can pull it out. These AC lines are pushed into some retainers right here. I'm just going to pop those out. Just push those out. So those are separated. That's good. Disconnect the connector for the fan. On both sides, you just push down on the tabs and it pulls right up. If you follow down the radiator fan shroud, you're going to see a clip right here. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just push on that clip and then pull up on the fan shroud. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. Just grab the fan assembly and pull it up. There you go. Just work it back and forth. Now when you unclip the fan assembly, this actually folds down. So then it can get past the coolant hose, so that makes it a lot easier. So once you unclip it on the driver's side, fold that over, and then you can pull it out nice and easy. Remove this cover, use a T20 socket, take these screws out. There's one there, one down here. And on this side. And grab the cover, slip it up and out. There we go, pull it out of the way. There's a foam piece right here. You want to pull that up out of the way. Then you can access the two lines that go into the condenser. Now using a 6mm hex socket, we're going to take these bolts out. Nice and slow, we're going to take this line off. You might hear a little bit of a hiss because there might be a vacuum on the AC system after we had the refrigerant extracted. If you're having trouble separating, you can raise this up a little bit. I'm going to use some locking pliers right here. Just don't pinch them too tight. Just rock it back and forth. And once you get a little bit of a gap, you can carefully use a straight blade screwdriver. Just get in there and help you pry this apart a little bit. Just work it back a little bit. Oh, there we go. You can hear the vacuum. And that popped right off. Set that aside. We want to do the same with that one. Just work it back and forth. There we go. Pull that out. Grab the condenser and slide it up. Now take the new condenser and you want to install the roll pin. Get that lined up there. You just use some large pliers. And just squeeze it down. Make sure it goes in straight. And just tighten that down. That's good. We'll do the same with the other one. Push that in place. With the new condenser, you want to add the correct amount of refrigerant oil, which for this vehicle, it is 1.3 ounces. So you want to measure that out and pour that in. You can go back and forth each side. And that's 1.3 ounces. That's good. Slide the condenser in place. Push it down. Now it's a good idea to replace the O-rings on the lines, and then you want to lubricate the O-rings with some AC oil. That's good. Push the lines in place. Get the bolts started. And tighten these down. Now put this foam piece back in place. Let's get that lined up, push that down. Now you can take this cover and get this lined up. Push that in place. Now take the screws, get the screws lined up. And snug those down. All right, snug those down. And do the same on the other side. Now take the fan assembly. Just slide it down. Just make sure those lines are out of the way and the cable. Might have to wiggle it back and forth a little bit. And before you clip it in on that side, You have that hinge clip on the other side. So unfold that, get that lined up. All right, slip that in place, that's good. Pull these AC lines, get those into those brackets. Clip those in place. Take the connector, line that up. Make sure you lock that down. That's good. Take this cross member, go around the hoses. Get that lined up. Put the bolts in. I'll tighten these down. Take the cable and push that into those retainers. And put this tube in place. Line this up. Squeeze that together. I'm just going to use some pliers just to squeeze this together. There we go. Clip that together.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.